Hi, my name is Carolyn. I am part of the hanging team for the Federation Gallery, which I absolutely love to do because I get to see all the paintings before anybody else does.
My name is Margaret Lawther, and I've been volunteering for quite a while as well. And the thing I enjoy most about it is seeing the diversity of the works. No one style or medium is given a priority. It's a really interesting mix always.
The most challenging part of the hang is arranging the paintings so that they look the best to promote the art.
I would absolutely recommend it. It's been a really good learning experience for me as to what makes a good painting.